All right, we are starting the morning off right, walking the dog, of course. So we're about to head out to Great Falls. We're going to Katie's Cars and Coffee. If you guys haven't seen the last video, we went out to a pretty cool car event, Dominion Raceway, and we were supposed to go out to the Great Falls, Katie's Cars and Coffee. So we actually are gonna make it this morning. I'm looking forward to it. This car meet has had some pretty legendary cars pull up. It's had literally Bugatti Chirons, Ferrari F40s, all these cool cars. Met some cool people here. That is where we are headed literally today. I'm gonna walk the dog, pack my bag, and we're about to get on the road. Now also we're gonna be in Great Falls. This car meets in Great Falls. And while we're out there, we might as well make a little trip to the actual like waterfall area. It's really cool. You'll see once we get there. Get some cool pictures, cool videos, go on a little hike. You know, why not? Now, one other reason I love going out to Great Falls is they literally, I think it's one of the wealthiest towns in Virginia. And it has some crazy houses. Lots of money out there, people with nice cars, these fat houses. So hopefully we'll see some on the way there.
83 and maybe 83 to 103.
Now we are in Tyson's. We just made it to Tyson's Corner. But if you guys haven't seen a little short video I made with the Lamborghini Huracan Technica, that was filmed right here in Tyson's Corner. So we are 13 minutes away from the car meet. I'm looking forward to seeing who is gonna be here, you know? Just pulled up. Check it out. I'm about to switch to the 70 to 200 right here, and we're gonna get some photos. Might get some videos with this, but we'll stick with photos for now.
Wow.
Because it had everything I wanted. It had the black interiors, the big wheels, and the color was like actually
There you go.
Sure.
how easy is it?
That is proposed highly developed jet on GT4 in White Republic. Our plan that's specialized in this car. It just comes down to how much.
Are you Muhammad?
Yeah, I think I met you at the street meet DC, was it? Or portrait meet DC?
Nah, I wasn't there. I wasn't there. That's our first time meeting.
Oh.
I follow you on Instagram, man.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
My name is Jordan.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
I love your work.
I love your camera.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is nice.
You shoot on Canon?
Yeah.
When are you gonna switch to Sony, man?
Never.
Come on now. Come to the dark
No.
side.
If I'd have done it, it would have been done before I went to mirrorless. It was a mistake to go to Canon, but now I'm stuck. Yeah, man, a great meeting. I'm gonna take some photos.
Likewise.
I really thought I met you at the portrait meet.
Yeah, that's something I do want to do.
Yeah, you like to do
DC?
portraits?
Yeah, I'm into any landscape, portrait,
Okay,
cars.
so we haven't a meet. My team is. I'm an ambassador of the Portrait Meet DC.
Okay.
We have one this coming Saturday from 3 to 6 in Georgetown Waterfront.
Okay.
Waterfront.
I'll be there.
Okay, buddy.
I'll be there.
Okay, Jordan. I'll see you there then.
Likewise.
Have a good day, buddy. Take care.
All right, we just got a little Starbucks, y'all. Check it out. Little Starbies. That's good. I'm on my way to go get something to eat. And then we're gonna go to the Great Falls. The like water. You'll see. But yeah, car meet was a success. It was a good time. Saw some familiar faces, met some new people, some nice cars out there. Let me know what y'all thought. I thought it was a good turnout. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go to coffee right now because your boy is hungry. We have made it to Great Falls Park, guys. So now we are about to just go out and explore a little bit. I haven't been here in a long time. Should be a pretty good time. Gonna get some cool pictures, cool videos. If you guys have never been out to Great Falls Park, it's worthwhile. Definitely recommend checking it out. So yeah, let's go see what we can see.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
You guys see that freaking snake? That joint was huge. I don't know if it was a copperhead. Ooh, that scared the fuck out of me. I don't know if it was a copperhead, but that was a big boy. Check out this epic tree, guys. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. I freaking realized I should have brought my other shoes. I'm wearing my like leather shoes that I wear kind of everywhere. I should have brought some hiking shoes. Well, I'm gonna switch. I'm still on 1635. I'm gonna switch to my 70 to 200 once we get a little further up. We just got back to the car. That was a nice outing, might I say. So yeah, we are pretty much done at Great Falls. We're about to head back to the crib. We got like an hour drive. We hiked like 6 miles a day easily. That joint was tough. Seen a lot of cool stuff. Got some cool pics. Let me know what was your guys' favorite picture of the day. If you're ever in Virginia, kind of near DC, definitely take a trip out to Great Falls. It's a really nice spot, a lot to do. It's a good time. All right, it's a couple days later. Hopefully you guys liked that video. That was a fun day. We went out to Great Falls. We went to an awesome car meet, Katie's Cars and Coffee. And then we also went to Great Falls Park, which was a really fun time. So I hope you guys like that video. Got a feel for what Great Falls has to offer. So if you're ever in Virginia near DC and Maryland, go check out Great Falls. It's a great time. Real nice area. Anywho, definitely go check me out on Instagram. I post pretty much daily, kind of the behind the scenes of projects that I'm working on. So if you guys want to see more content like this, go check out the Instagram. Also, I will link my portfolio so you guys can view more of my work. This video obviously was cars and kind of like landscape, if you will. So I do a little mixture of everything: portraits, landscape, car photography. One thing I do want to get into is planes and yachts. That's coming up. If you want to stay up to date and see what else is in my portfolio, check out the portfolio. I will leave it in the description. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, evening, morning, wherever you are, wherever you might be. Have a good one. Peace.